I think a lot of time we have seen a lot of cases posted on either Facebook or a lot of media, and the case presentation was so great, and we can see a lot of details being presented in these restorations, especially for interior veneers or interior crowns. And after I've been using CEREC for a while, and I found out the diva was actually hidden in the details. So a lot of time we have to improve our quality of the restoration, and I found out the best way to do is actually the post-milling processing of the restorations. So it's not just about the design, just the shape of being milled, having a contact and margin. I think that's quite basic after being using CEREC for a while. So I feel I do have an urgent need, and I found out how do we create texture and how do we create a standing technique. Because when most textbook we can see, even for technician textbook, it's talking about how to build out a crown, staking a crown. But it didn't teach us how do we stand the crown from externally and create the result what we want. And I found CEREC in CEREC Asia, the safety advanced tool, actually this program is great. Because actually, when there is no textbook, there is no other way we can learn, and they actually teach us from the experience, which is a great opportunity for me to come here. I think it's actually much better than I expected for the program. And we actually, first day we have started to see a real life patient. And it's a real patient case and presenting to us. So we have to analyze the patient from intraorally and intraorally, all the details, and the program led us to step by step to do this analysis before we do our process. And there's a live patient being prepped for veneers, and we have to learn all the techniques to apply until the final day we'll try into our final restoration, final veneers to this patient. It's like mimics a real life situation. So when the patient comes into clinic, and we only have, if we try to finish in the same day for 4 veneers, and we have to face the reality, how much time do we have? And what's the result we want to present for the final restorations. So, and I found this so grateful for this program is actually going step by step. From the moment you see a patient, and from the prep, and after that, technician's side, how do they design the restorations, how do they create a surface texture, and how do they actually stand the veneers to make it look so real, and they actually explain to us in very detail. And also at the same time, we also see our other participants' work. So we criticize, it's not criticized, but we actually understand what kind of mistakes we have been making and how do we improve it. And I think it's a step-by-step work, and they told us how a case was being executed in their clinic. So for us, it's actually an eye-opening experience, and the program is actually much better than I expected before I came here. It's how you do it. So it's actually a great program to participate, no matter for doctors, for dentists, or for technicians. I think of course a lot of time I've been talking to technicians, but not many of our technicians have learned how to do a standing externally instead of doing a Boston staking. So these people are in CEREC Asia, actually they are really sharing the experience with us, and really share all the details and the questions I've been asking, and all the questions or problems I've been accumulated in my practice. I actually found a solution in this program. So I feel it's a great program for clinicians and also for technicians.